All right, everyone. So, welcome back. I'm Jared from Real Field Fishing, and today I went down about an hour away from where I live and hit a little stretch of the river. Actually, hit multiple stretches of river, and really only found one good area with them. Spent an hour at 3 different spots and really found them in the one spot. Pretty much the weapon of choice today was just a Ned Rig, a little Finesse TRD Goby Bryant was the color. For some reason, they just didn't want green pumpkin or molting craw. They didn't want anything dark. They wanted something really, really light that stands out. The Goby Bryant is green pumpkin and like a pearl color. So I think they wanted something more white today. But same thing, just kind of bouncing it off of rocks, just subtle twitches, letting the current do a lot of the work for me. We just had some heavy rain, so the water levels were up a little bit. The clarity was pretty much the same, but I'd say it was up a couple inches from last week when I went out. So, but yeah, got on a good chunk of fish, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoy, and if you like this type of stuff, hit that subscribe button. That'll mean a lot to me. Thanks. So all I'm doing today is just bouncing a Ned Rig off the bottom, hitting rocks and sticks and stumps. I got the Goby Bryant on right now on a 1/10 ounce Ned Locks EWG head. And all I'm doing is just bouncing it off the rocks. We just got a bunch of rain the last couple of days, so the water levels are up a little bit. Current's a little stronger. There we go. Cool. A beautiful fish. Nice. Look at that. There we go. Feels like a nice one. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh. beautiful fish. Whew. Awesome. It's probably the best one of the year so far. Nice. Oh, mama. What a beautiful fish. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that's a beautiful fish. Oh my God. Wow, I can't believe I just got this. That was a beautiful fish. This is amazing. Alright, here's the release on this beauty. Best of the year so far. Out here today with the Ned Rig, doing Goby Bryant on that same Ned Locks EWG. Little Finesse TRD. Yeah. A smallmouth. Smallmouth bass.